respected Principal Ma'am, Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my lovely students. Good morning and wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Say with me, एक बार भारत माता के लिए जोर से नारे लगा दीजिए. I urge all my students, please. वंदे
मातरम
वंदे वंदे. Thank you. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? Excellent. Okay. Thank you. Let me take a breath. I'm nervous. I just wanted to begin with these lines beautifully said by Muhammad Iqbal. कि कुछ बात है कि हंसती मिटती नहीं हमारी. कुछ बात है कि हंसती मिटती नहीं हमारी. सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दोहरे ज़मा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना. मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना. हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. Thank you, thank you. Okay. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure that we are entering into the 78th independent year of our country, and I am extremely elated to have got this opportunity of speaking my heart out on this great occasion. This is a significant milestone in the nation's history, commemorating this day as India's liberation from British colonial rule on August 15, 1947, following a prolonged struggle for freedom. Independence Day served as a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by countless freedom fighters who fought tirelessly to the country's freedom and independence. As Indians, we should feel proud of because it was after long years of struggle and sacrifices of our forefathers that our motherland could finally emerge as a sovereign nation. So, let's take a pledge to make our country proud with our fine deeds and never lay waste the sacrifice of our forefathers. The theme of this year's celebration is Viksit Bharat or Developed India, which aligns with the Indian government vision to transform the nation into a developed country by 2047. Coinciding with the centenary of independence, as we are celebrating the Amrit Kaal. Let us continue to find strength in our unity in diversity. It is our duty to uphold the values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. As mentioned in a preamble, we the people of India, we the people of India have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic, and to secure all its citizens. Okay, I just wanted to reiterate this preamble on this D-Day, so that the fundamental principles and the values that guides the country and its people. Let us rededicate ourselves to building a future where every citizen can flourish, and in the words of Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and head is held high, where the mind is without fear and head is held high. And may our country continue to shine brightly, leading with unity and pride. The wonder that is India, Mark Twain once famously said that India is the cradle of human race, is the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. Albert Einstein went one step further in acknowledging India's contribution to the world's civilization. He said, We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile sacrifice, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made. इसी बात को मनोज कुमार के सॉन्ग में आप सबने सुना होगा, बड़ी ही खूबसूरती से बताया है। ये कुछ चंद पंक्तियां मैं आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करती हूँ और इसके साथ अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूँगी। Just wanted to conclude with this line, join with me. जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई। तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई। देता ना दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद जाना मुश्किल था। धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था। सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे कला। अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे